Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm actually showing you how to do this really quick, easy, cute, protective style that I plan to rock this whole week because your girl, it's getting hot and my hair in hot weather, you know, we just got to keep it moisturized and keep it locked up. And you know, it's gonna thrive that way. But if you are in, the one thing I want to say about this look is that it's easy for an adult, a kid, teenager. So if you're watching this, don't feel like you can't rock this hairstyle. You can. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And you know what, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So my hair is usually like dripping wet because I like to use products on it while it's wet because I just feel like my hair absorbs it better. So this is my hair right now with very little. I left a little bit of my conditioner in there, but I am going to be adding some additional products. I'm trying some new products today, so you'll have to make sure you're subscribed so that you can see my review, my honest review on the products that we're actually going to be using today. So I'm going to be using this Texture ID. I actually used the conditioner and the mask, and I loved the mask. So for this hairstyle, it's one that I've been wanting to try with my natural hair for some time, but I do have a Fulani, quote unquote, braid style video that's showing you how to create that with hair added, but I wanted to put a little bit of a twist on it. So I'm going to start by parting right over my ear. A little behind my ear actually, because I want my front section to kind of be big, but I don't want it too far back, if that makes sense. So you have this and you just want to go all the way across. So now that we have our top section, you want to go ahead and put this in a ponytail, and we're just going to moisturize the back really quick so that, I have a spray bottle if it gets too dry, then I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on this. My hair is freshly washed, and I would suggest starting on fresh hair because this is like a style that you can wear for the week. So now we're just going to take a little bit of that, what is this, daily moisturizing cream, and I'm just going to, oh, this is thick, and I'm just going to apply the product. I'm actually going to split it down the middle and then apply the products on both sides. And this I would consider like my leave-in. They do have a twist cream in this line as well, but I'm going to be using a different brand for that. And for our cream, I'm going to be using the Long Lux pomegranate curl enhancing smoothie. So just to make sure these pieces stay moisturized while we do the rest of our hair, we're going to go ahead and twist this into two sections. I actually posted a video on how to detangle your natural hair the right way, so make sure you go check that out. Like, I'm not even having to detangle because my hair is detangled from all the work I did earlier washing, and be sure to go check out the detangling video. Ooh. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and twist this up. I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably add more product when it's time to twist the back, but this is just how we're going to be able to keep these pieces moisturized while we work on the front of the hair. So now that we have those in twists, you still want to just go ahead and put these in a ponytail loosely in the back. Now that we have the front, I'm going to moisturize this by section rather than all together. Okay, so to start, we're going to create a part in the middle all the way to the center part that you created. And I guess it's not really in the middle, it's like off to the side, but we're gonna create a little section. So you just need to create a section in the middle. And I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. You wanna make sure your parts are straight, well at least I do. Alright, so now that we got our section in the middle, I'm gonna actually just go ahead and flat twist this, but I need to put away the other sides. So put this in a ponytail. We're gonna look a little crazy for a sec, and then put this in the ponytail. Then you want to go ahead and apply the product to this section. So you only need a little bit since it's only a little piece of hair. And I'm applying the moisturizing cream, and then I'm going to apply the curl enhancing smoothie. This stuff just works really well with my hair, which is why I probably reverted to it naturally. So now that we did that, you want to go ahead and flat twist. You can either decide to flat twist or braid this center section. I'm just going to decide to twist it up, and I'm going to twist it loosely because I kind of, well, not this one, I'm going to do it kind of tight. So I'm just flat twisting this. If you have I do have hair clips that helps with like keeping the hair looking neat, but I just not using them right now. But you just want to go ahead and twist this. Flat twisting is taking a little bit more thought process. We're going to start with this side, and the first thing we're going to do is apply the product. So I originally couldn't decide between like wanting to do a bantu knot or a flat twist. I think I'm going to do flat twist. But first, I want little pieces hanging on the side. So we're gonna split, get some section, little section. And you wanna just go ahead and twist this up. Just like 2-strand twist. And I just like to twirl the end and to get a little nice little curl. So for this section, you can either do a diagonal or straight back. I'm gonna do a diagonal. So diagonal part, so I'm just going to part this right in the center in a diagonal, and I'm only going to do 2 flat twists on both sides because I kind of want it to be full, and I feel like the smaller I get, the less full it is when my hair is curly. So now that we have our first section, I'm going to go ahead and pin away this. And you know, you gotta smooth the edges a little bit, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Shine and Jam and brush it. And now just begin to flat twist. Like I said, I'm gonna do slightly loose, and I'm twisting away from my face. And then you want to go ahead and just twist this all the way to the end. Can y'all see that? Bam. Now do the other section. Okay, so now we have our finished side. Cute, cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera, and I'll be back when it's time to do that. So I finished both sides, and I think I actually want to braid this center piece. I thought I wanted to twist, but we're just gonna do a quick little braid, French braid. And I think it'll just look cleaner. I am still going to twist the ends once I get all the way to the back, but right now I'm just braiding this. I think I like the tight look in the center. Yeah, I think I like that better. but I do like how the sides are juicy. Okay, so this part I intend to wear in a ponytail. Out, but for now let's go ahead and just twist it to the front like this so it can stay out of our way for the back. So for the back, I'm just gonna twist the back how I usually twist my hair when I'm doing like a twist or twist out. So I take just a chunk in the back of my fingers, and the bottom is usually 2, and then I do like the ladder look all the way to the top. So this already has product on it. It still feels pretty good to me, so I think I might just only add some curl cream on it to make sure the curls pop in, just in case I want to take it down, and then begin twisting. Fast, slow, however you want it. I might just fast forward through this part because y'all know how to twist. The one thing I want to say is, the one thing I feel that I'm going to like about this style is the ability to add hair accessories. Because y'all know I like my hair accessories. If you haven't seen my most recent hair accessory video with the hair clips, be sure to go check it out. And I'm just taking like medium size chunk because I don't want them jumbo, but I also don't want them like super small, you know. Looks like I have 2 more rows after this. In this section, let me fill it. Let me see how much, what I'm thinking about. I can probably do, I'm just gonna do 3. I may split this into 2. I can do 5. So let's see. Split this in 2. I'm loving it already. Super cute. Alright, so y'all get the point. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be back with the finished look. Don't go nowhere. Whew. Sometimes I'll be doing my hair and I'll be like, this seems mission impossible, but we are done. So what I want to do with this section, like I said or mentioned, is just put this in a ponytail. So the good thing about this style is that you can either wear it down like this or up in a pony. So you can grab just the front, or here's what the back looks like. If my parts aren't straight, excuse the parts. And so I have this line of twist right here at the top. These can also go into my bun to make it a little bit, or my ponytail to make it a little bit more fuller. But it doesn't have, they don't have to. And I just like a loose, if I'm at home, just like a loose, but you can do it twice. And then you want to pull. And here is the finished look. The good thing about this is that you can throw in some hair accessories, a hair band. You can pull it all up. You can wear it all down. It's so versatile. These can even go up because since they're just like 2-strand twist. And so here is the finished look. In this video, we learned how to do this quick, easy, protective style that's perfect for the week. And if you're going out somewhere, the good thing about this is that if you want to, you can take the twist out and wear them out once you're done and be good to go. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. We growing, we thriving. And be sure to watch the 2 videos on the next screen, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.